Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening command prompt with enough rights. This matters because some network details require elevated access. Once done, type ipconfig/all and press enter to list adapters. You will see sections for Ethernet and wireless adapters. That is where MAC addresses appear as physical address. Make sure to focus on the adapter you use, otherwise you may read the wrong MAC. If you prefer a quicker list, note the exact adapter name now. Now scan the ipconfig/all output to find the adapter you care about. Adapters are grouped and labeled. Once you find the correct block, read the physical address line. This is the MAC, shown as 6 hex pairs separated by hyphens. You want the adapter with IP4 address and media state. Media disconnected means the MAC is inactive. Also check description to match hardware. If you need a copy, select the text and right-click to mark, then enter to copy. Finally, if ipconfig/all feels verbose, run getmac/v/fo list to see MACs per connection, or use netch interface show interface to correlate names. When finished, verify the MAC you recorded matches the interface you intended. If you can't find a physical address, make sure drivers are installed and that you ran command prompt as administrator. Permissions and disabled interfaces are common causes. If problems persist, restart the adapter or reboot, then repeat the steps to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.